Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Sit facing each other with your legs extended forward and the soles of your feet together. Sit facing your partner with knees bent. Holding your partner's hands, start to place the soles of your feet together. Sit with your legs crossed and your backs resting against each other. Stand in pairs facing each other at less than arm's distance. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Kneeling high with your backs facing each other, align yourselves by placing one foot in between the feet of your partner. Standing tall and facing each other, interlock your hands with your partner. Standing and facing opposite direction and backs of your heels touching, reach to take hold of your partner's hands so that your inner elbow is pointing forward. Begin in double plow pose, pressing your back gently against your partner's back for support. Standing side by side, wrap the inside arm around your partner's back. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing in front of each other, Bend your body and interlock your arms at the hands with your partner, placing the hands on the partner's arms. Standing next to each other, your inner feet touching, open your legs wide. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side.
Stretch your arms wide. Feel strength in your body.
Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Kneeling high and facing opposite direction, place your feet next to your partner's knees and your partner's feet next to your knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing side by side with a little distance between you, hold hands. Standing away from each other at arm's distance, you both step the right feet forward, bending at the knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side.
Hold your body straight and strong. Feel your muscles working.
Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.